In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme and tap on one of those themes to apply the best one for you. To see all the available ones, use those icons at the top right corners of all of those categories. After tapping on the best theme, tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And save your new keyboard by hitting Apply at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you prefer to customize it, go back to the same settings. And this time select this plus under My Themes. Now it's time to tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!